Hello everybody. I picked up this bandsaw last weekend or the weekend before, but I'm having a problem getting the band to track in the middle of the saw blade to track in the middle of the wheels. So this is what I have. This is the cover, and this is what I have. It is a 3/8 inch blade, and that's measuring from here to here, and I have it set up like I think it should be. And I don't have the blade hitting anything. As you can see, there's light coming in between here and also on the bottom. But whenever I set it up and I have it tensioned to 3/8 inch, and then I spin it, and remember, that's where the blade is. Now these are the blades that came with it. But after I spin it 2 or 3 times, the blade goes to the very front of the wheel. And it's all the way around it. Does anyone have any idea of where I'm missing an adjustment at? Because I've adjusted these back here, and like I said, the blade isn't even, now after I've spun it, you can see there's tons of room between the blade and this guide, and of course there's tons of room between the blade and this guide. Does anyone have any suggestions of what I might be doing wrong? If you could let me know, I sure would appreciate it. Thanks for looking. Bye.